Alright guys, so you got to see the start of this. I didn't do an intro because I think it explains enough in itself. I am beat. So today we had a conveyor belt truck come out with dirt to shoot dirt into our beds. And I have a plus and I have a minus about it. The plus is it's quick to fill your beds up. You don't have to wheelbarrow the stuff in there. That's great. That's fantastic. Don't get me wrong. The bad thing is the mess that it leaves you. Me and Amy had just went through this whole entire place and put weed blocker and put mulch down so it'll be nice. And now we're going to have to redo some stuff because there was dirt everywhere. I mean, this thing, I'm going to tell you, it'll fill a bed up. But there's just was dirt everywhere. Unfortunately, the truck had some technical difficulties while it was here, and one of the rubber flaps that stops the dirt from dropping just dropped out onto our new crushing room we just put in. So I had to scrape up that, shovel all that up. That was a good yard of dirt I probably shoveled up, and another yard in here. Let me tell you, a yard of dirt's a lot of dirt when you're shoveling it, and it's a hot day. But we got the beds done. They're all ready for planting now. We got rain coming tonight. I have about 2.5 yards left that we're holding on to that I had them dump over there. So that way we can let the beds settle and we'll see where our low and our high spots are. I did get on a ladder and I walked across all the beds and compacted them to try to find what was the low spots and the high spots. And most of the thing I can say is anywhere that thing considerably hit, it packed it in pretty good, so we didn't have to worry about it. So we got that done. I don't know, I think it's like probably 6 o'clock now. I'm beat. I started at like, I don't know what time this morning, 7:30, 7 o'clock, I don't know. And it's taken all day to get all this done. As you can see behind me, we got our cattle panels up for our tomato plants. Those are done. And we are seriously ready to plant. I mean, our plants are ready. And we had to get this done. It had to be a push motion. With the rain coming, I couldn't wait. And if you're all wondering what we put in our beds, it's called a sandy loom. It's a mixture of topsoil, sand, and cow manure. And let me tell you, there's definitely cow manure, because I smelled like I just rolled around in it, and that ain't good. So I'm gonna go get a shower. But at that point, guys, we'll keep you up to date. You'll get to see us planting our new beds. We finally finished it. This has been a 3-year project, and we did it. It's done. So now it's maintain what we have, test the soil, make sure the soil stays up to our standards. But other than that, guys, I mean, we are ready to go. This dirt is really good, really good. But that's pretty much my only thing I didn't like about having it done. Would I suggest you to do it? Yeah, I would suggest you to do it, but do it when you haven't laid down your weed barrier, if it's just the beds, have them come out, fill the beds up. We took a total of 25 yards of dirt. That thing was cool. You watch the video, you'll see. I mean, it was amazing. I mean, the guy hopped out of the truck, walked over, and started using the remote control to move the truck. That boggles me. It's poof. And he kept looking at me smiling, and I was like, man, I can't get over. You're not even in the truck. And you're backing it up and turning the front wheels and doing. It's amazing what they can do. So, well, at that point, guys, I hope you like this video. We got a lot more stuff coming. I mean, I got gnats in front of me right now because of the cow manure. But I hope you liked the video anyway. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and don't forget, we have a lot more projects coming on the farm. We got barn builds, we got chicken runs, we got so many things going on. But right now, I think this is going to be our sole focus for the next 3 months, is going to be gardening. So you're going to get to see a lot of videos on that. And that's about it. At that point, guys, I'm sorry, I'm tired, I'm babbling on. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to go get a shower. I want to eat some dinner. Dinner. That's another thing. Well, anyway, I'll see you later. God bless. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, hit that bell for notification and that thumbs up. Till next time, see ya.